Hello everyone. Here we have an interesting problem. We have to solve this equation, that is 2 power x is equal to iota. Basically, it is a complex equation with definitely it will give the complex solution. Let we move towards the solution of the problem. 2 power x is equal to iota, which is given. Taking natural log on both sides, we will have natural log of 2 power x is equal to natural log of iota. So by rule of the log, this x will come here and we will get x natural log 2 is equal to natural log iota, and we can find from here that x is equal to natural log of iota over natural log of 2. This is actually the solution of this equation, which is given 2 power x is equal to iota, but here we have to find the value of natural log of I. So to find the value of natural log of I, we take this one. We know that e power iota alpha, this is equal to cos alpha plus iota sin alpha, and if we replace alpha by pi, then e power iota pi, this is equal to cos pi plus iota sin pi, and here e power iota pi is equal to -1. As sin pi is equal to 0, so this complex part all will become 0, and cos pi is equal to -1. So this is e power iota pi is equal to -1. We can write this one as e power iota pi is equal to iota square, because iota square is equal to -1. So from here, again taking natural log on both sides, taking natural log on both sides, e power iota pi natural log, this is equal to natural log of iota square, and here again this will come here and this will come here. So by the rule of natural log, iota pi natural log of e, this will be equal to 2 times natural log of I. We know that natural log of e is equal to 1. This is 1. So iota pi times 1 is equal to 2 natural log of iota, or you can write it as 2 natural log I is equal to iota pi, and from here natural log of I will be equal to iota pi over 2. Substituting this value of natural log of I in equation number 1, we will get x is equal to natural log I value is this one, iota pi by 2 divided by natural log of 2. So according to equation number 1, it is natural log of 2 We can write it as x is equal to iota pi divided by 2 natural log of 2. Which is the required answer of this equation? This is answer of the given equation 2 power x is equal to iota. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.